If you're seeing this video, it means your For You page thinks you can solve this problem. Is your For You page right? Maybe pause this video, try it for yourself. I'll wait. Okay, I'm done waiting. Let's try it together. We've kind of been on a factorial kick, so let's keep it going. This problem has kind of a unique construction, right? So it's saying that 6 times 6 factorial plus 7 times 7 factorial plus, you kind of see this pattern all the way through 9. And apparently this is equal to a factorial minus b factorial, and we want to figure out what the values of a and b are. So I think the intuition here comes from what our final result should look like. We're working towards a factorial minus b factorial, these two terms. So maybe we can expand our current terms, introduce some subtraction, maybe get a long line of terms, a telescoping sum, perhaps, such that all of our terms cancel except for the two that we want, a factorial minus b factorial. So the question becomes, how do we rewrite these terms? Well, I propose that we rewrite 6, 7, 8, and 9 like this. Okay, from here we can distribute those factorials into these differences that we just created, and we'll get a long line of terms that are adding and subtracting. So let's just think about this first term right here and how we distribute that 6 factorial in here. So if we're thinking about 7 times 6 factorial, well, 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times blah, 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 3, 2, 1, right? And so 7 times 6 factorial is just going to be the same as 7 factorial. I hope you agree. So we'll get 7 factorial minus 6 factorial from that first term. Similarly, we'll get plus 8 factorial minus 7 factorial. And as we go on, we'll get, now things are looking pretty nice, right? Because we have a lot of factorials that are canceling. 7 factorial minus 7 factorial, 8 factorial minus 8 factorial, 9 factorial minus 9 factorial, leaving us with the two terms we've been working towards this entire time. So we get 10 factorial minus 6 factorial. And if you just compare this to what we've been working towards, you can see that a is going to be 10, b is going to be 6. I've written this in like a generalized form in case you guys see this in a competition or as trivia, whatever, that this is a true fact, right? So for us, if we were to write ours as a sum, our sum starts at 6 and goes all the way to 9, right? And each term is going to look like n times n factorial. We sum all those terms, plugging in 6, 7, 8, and 9. And it's going to be equal to, well, our m, our top number is 9. 9 plus 1 factorial minus k. Our k is our smallest term, 6 factorial. And this is exactly what we got, right? 10 factorial minus 6 factorial. So that's just a generalized form for all you nerds.